A smartphone is a powerful computer in your pocket. It makes calls, it sends texts, plus it connects you to the internet. Smartphones are designed to make life easier and more fun. Smartphones come in all shapes and sizes. They have bright, colorful screens. You control everything by touching the screen. Now you can stay connected wherever you go. First, you need to put in a SIM card. The SIM card connects your phone to the mobile network. It lets you make calls and use data. Your phone may already have a SIM card installed. Next, turn on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose a language. You will also need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now you are ready to start using your smartphone. Apps are like programs for your phone. They let you do all sorts of things. There are apps for games, social media, and much more. You can find apps in the App Store. To install an app, tap on its icon, then tap the Get or Install button. The app will download and install on your phone. Now you're ready to use your new app. Your smartphone is also a phone. To make a call, open the phone app. Dial the number you want to call. Tap the green call button. To send a text message, open the messaging app. Type your message. Enter the phone number. Tap the send button. It's that easy. Section 5. Exploring the World Wide Web. Your smartphone can connect you to the internet. Use the web browser app to visit websites. You can search for information, watch videos, and much more. Type in a website address or search term. The web browser will load the page. You can tap on links and buttons to navigate. Section 6. Email and social media. Stay connected with friends and family. You can use your smartphone to check email and social media. Download apps like Gmail or Facebook. Log in with your account information. Now you can send emails, share photos, and stay up to date. Section 7. Customizing your smartphone. Make your smartphone your own. You can change the wallpaper, ringtones, and more. Go to the Settings app to personalize your phone. You can adjust the brightness of the screen. Choose a new ringtone for calls and messages. Customize your phone to fit your style. Section 8. Keeping your smartphone secure. Protect your phone and your information. Set a lock screen password. This prevents others from accessing your phone. Keep your phone's software up to date. Software updates often include important security patches. Section 9. Maintaining your smartphone. Take care of your smartphone so it lasts longer. Charge the battery regularly. Avoid dropping your phone. If your phone is running slowly, try closing some apps. Delete apps you don't use anymore. By following these tips, you can enjoy your smartphone for years to come.